If your car's been clamped, follow the steps I'm about to run through and be aware that if you try and remove it, there could be serious repercussions. The DVLA clamps vehicles primarily for tax enforcement. Local councils and the police can clamp cars for parking violations or hazards. Private landowners can't clamp cars without lawful authority. Cars can be clamped if untaxed or improperly parked according to vehicle seizure regulations. It is illegal to clamp on private land without lawful authority. If your car's been clamped, follow the steps that I'm about to run through and be aware if you try and remove it, there could be serious repercussions. The DVLA clamps vehicles normally for tax enforcement, and local councils and police can clamp cars for parking violations or hazards. Private landowners can't clamp cars without lawful authority, and cars can be clamped if untaxed or improperly parked according to vehicle seizure regulations. It's illegal to clamp on private land without lawful authority. If your car has a clamp on it, then you need to contact the number on the clamp to request its release. Now, take photos of the part location and the clamp for evidence in case you need to contest the clamping in court. Pay the required amount within 24 hours for the DVLA to unclamp your car, and keep records of everything, of the payment and also all the communications with authorities. Whatever you do, do not attempt to move the clamp yourself because it is illegal and it can lead to severe legal consequences, including fines and sometimes even prison. If you remove the clamp illegally, enforcement agents will involve the police and your car may be impounded. Bailiffs can clamp your car for 2 hours before towing it if you don't pay the owed amount. After this period, additional fees may apply. Under the Protection of Freedoms Act, it's illegal to clamp on private property without lawful authority. Confirm the identity and authority of the clamping entity, get evidence like photos, receipts, correspondence, and then you formally appeal to the clamping organisation. If that gets rejected, then you can escalate it to an independent adjudicator or court. Be prepared to pay release fees and possible additional fines or storage fees if your car is actually towed. Make sure that your car is properly taxed and parked according to regulations. Regularly checking your vehicle's tax status and reading local parking signs carefully can also help you. In complex situations, consult a solicitor to understand your rights and get guidance on the best course of action. Legal advice can help you with your appeal. There are online solicitors like JustAnswer, for example, who's currently running a £5 trial, and you can ask as many questions as you need to about all of the clamping situation in the online chat. I'm going to leave you a link underneath this video, and if you do use it, you'll be supporting the advice service, so thanks.